I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone, plug into power, join a reliable Wi-Fi network, and sign into your Google account so backups can upload. Next, open Settings and go straight to Backup to see what's configured. Make sure app data, call history, contacts, and device settings are listed. If you prefer redundancy, plan a local copy to an SD card or PC. Once done, enable the chosen backup method now so the device starts collecting data immediately. You proceed to perform the core backups. Tap Backup Now under Google Backup so app data and settings upload. This preserves Wi-Fi passwords and accounts. For photos, make sure Google Photos Sync is on for desired quality or transfer originals to a PC or SD card for full resolution. For messages, install SMS Backup and restore and run a manual export to cloud or local storage. Also, copy any important files from downloads or device folders to your PC via USB. Use MTP mode for easy drag and drop. You should now verify everything. Open Google Drive to confirm the latest backup timestamp, view photos to ensure media synced, and check your SMS backup file. Make sure to remove your Google account to avoid FRP lock and note any device encryption, record PINs or passwords used for encrypted backups. When ready, go to Settings System Reset Options and choose Erase All Data. Confirm and wait. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check account sync and storage limits. Free up space or re-authenticate your Google account and retry the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.